We are entering the Galleria of Mt Lebanon. This mall does not allow photography. We got a Schindler 330A. Here's your directory. I'll go on my own on this one. There's a freight elevator here that's an OTIS. We're going to try and find that one.
You're just going down, huh?
Yeah, then we're going to do the glass elevator. This thing is slow. No. Here it is. Here you're in 3. Let's see. 1. I have this elevator on this one before. Schindler. We're going to check the airlock on. Well, here we go. This replaced an older elevator, think OTIS. This thing is slow. And there's your map. This is at Galleria of Mt Lebanon, Pennsylvania. These things are worn out. Up to 3. Again, please visit the gallery office to request permission to take photos, videotapes. No such activities permitted. Yeah, I'm gonna be careful. This mall prohibits photography for whatever reason. Let's get our CAD view. It's a nice elevator. 30 HD fixtures, hands-free 88 kg by phone, capacity 2,500 pounds. Schindler. This thing's got an epic motor, and I think it's a bit low on oil. And there's your map. Let's look at the shaft. Let's see, Interlock says 2007. This mall is a different one. Let's just say that. There goes and. That's it.